Hey guys, I got gifted a dining table and chairs. I'm going to get it unboxed, assembled, and then we're going to check it out and see what we think about it. So stick around. Okay, I just want to point out a couple of things. Right here, if you'll notice, there's a huge gap, and this is tightened up. This flat part on this doesn't go flat up against the metal leg. On this other chair, it's the same way. There's a gap right there. This was not welded flat, so it doesn't fit flat up against the metal leg. Also on the seat cushion, there were no holes through the material for the bottom, the seat. So we had to remove the cover off of here, and the metal bolt things that's made into the seat cushion were there. It's just you had to cut the material and everything. That was on two different chairs, but I got it put together. So there you got it. It is a nice little table, other than a couple of little issues we had with the chairs. And it measures about 35.5 inches. So it's just short of 3 foot. And the height is 30 inches tall. These chairs are about 19 inches tall. Chairs are fairly comfortable, no complaints there. This is an excellent little dining table for a small kitchen or like an apartment or something like that, where you're limited on space. I would say overall, it's not a bad table. Easy to put together, seems fairly sturdy. For the price, I would say it's a nice little table. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to check one of these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. And if you'd like, I've got a playlist. I'll put it right over here for you to check out. You might find something over there that you'd be interested in. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.